Okay, let's take a look at question 2. Divide 2x cubed plus 5x squared plus 6 by x cubed plus 2x. So 2x cubed plus 5x squared. Now take note when you want to do long division, okay, the terms of x, right, must be descending order. Okay, so you must fill up. If there's lacking, you need to put it as 0. So in this case, we are lacking x, so we'll put as 0x. So divided by x cubed plus 2x. Okay, so this is very straightforward. We'll just have 2. So when we take x cubed divided by x cubed, there's only one layer of division, okay, and that's it, right? So 2x cubed plus 4x, go through a minus. So this will be, okay, 2x cubed will take away the 2x cubed entirely. So we'll bring down the rest of the items. Okay, here take note 0x minus 4 minus positive 4x. So it's minus 4x plus 6, right? Okay, so this is our remainder. Okay, so now 2x cubed plus 5x squared plus 6 divided by x cubed plus 2x is just equals to 2 plus 5x squared minus 4x plus 6 over x cubed plus 2x. Okay, so over here, next step, express this in partial fraction. So extract, okay, 5x squared minus 4x plus 6 over, right? So now over here, since I want to break this down into partial fractions, I want to know what kind of denominators that I can have down here. So this is x squared plus 2, right? So this part down here, this is what we call a non-factorizable quadratic. Okay, quadratic. Okay, which means that in this scenario, what we are going to do is to express it as, okay, this whole thing is equals to a over x plus bx plus c over x squared plus 2. This is our rule, right? When we have a non-factorizable quadratic, okay, it will be bx plus c as the numerator. Okay, so now equate both sides. So 5x squared minus 4x plus 6 is equals to cross multiply 8x squared plus 2 plus bx plus c multiplied by x. Okay, so now in order to solve this, okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is to let x equals to 0. Okay, so when x equals to 0, on the left is super easy because these two will be taken out, right? 0 squared is still 0. 4 times 0 is also 0. So that means on the left we'll get 6 is equals to, okay, the reason why we sub in 0 down here is that the 0 will multiply this whole chunk and it will just remain as, it will just become 0. Okay, so that will be equals to 2a. So a equals to 3. Okay, step 1. So the next step, however, right, we realize that we can't make this to be 0 because x squared cannot be negative 2. Okay, so now we're going to choose any random numbers when x equals to 1. Okay, so on the left it will be 5, 1 squared minus 4, 1 plus 6 equals to, on the right, a bracket 1 squared plus 2 plus b1 plus c multiplied by 1. Replace all the x term with 1. So what we'll have is 7 equals to 3a plus b plus c. Now, knowing that 3a, a is equals to 3. So 7 equals to 3 times 3 plus b plus c. So we end up with b plus c equals negative 2. That is my equation number 1. Okay. Okay, next part. Okay, I will use when x equals to negative 1. Now, doesn't really matter what you use down here as long as you are comfortable with the multiplication. Okay, so 5 negative 1 squared minus 4 negative 1 plus 6 equals to, okay, same thing, we'll have 3a down here. Okay, but here we'll have plus b minus c. Okay, so here we'll have 5 plus 4 plus 6, so that is equals to 15, equals to 3a, okay, which is actually just 9, okay, plus b minus c. So b minus c is equals to 6, b equals to c plus 6. That is my equation number 2. Okay, so then now we combine the logic of these two equations, right? And we say that, oh, that means that, sorry, this is 6. So that means that when we combine the both logic and we sub 2 into 1, okay, we'll have c plus 6 plus c equals negative 2. 2c equals to negative 8, c equals negative 4. b equals to negative 4 plus 6 equals to 2. Okay, so right, that means that okay, so let's shrink this down a little bit. Okay, so that means this is going to be equals to 2 plus a is 3 over x plus b is 2x minus 4 over x squared plus 2. Final answer.